Making money in college doesn't just help you cover expenses, it also builds life skills, confidence, and experience. The good news: there are plenty of ways to earn while balancing your studies. Whether you're looking for quick cash or long-term side hustles, these tips will help you navigate earning money during your college years without compromising your academic goals. First, think about the resources you already have. Are you living on campus? Do you have specific skills or interests? Leverage your environment and abilities. For example, if you're good at math or writing, tutoring other students is an excellent way to make money while reinforcing your own knowledge. Many universities even have tutoring centers that pay students to help their peers. Alternatively, create flyers or advertise your services online to reach local high school students who might need help preparing for standardized tests or improving their grades. Freelancing is another fantastic option, especially if you have marketable skills. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer let you offer services such as graphic design, writing, video editing, or even voiceovers. The beauty of freelancing is that you can work on your own schedule, which is perfect for busy students. If you're bilingual, consider offering translation services. If you're a tech-savvy individual, you might help businesses with social media management, website creation, or even coding. On-campus jobs can be a game changer for students. Positions like working in the library, student union, or gym often come with flexible schedules designed around students' class times. Some on-campus jobs even provide perks like free meals or housing stipends. Additionally, being involved on campus can lead to networking opportunities with faculty and staff that may benefit you in the future. If you're looking for something more entrepreneurial, start a small business. It doesn't have to be complicated. You could sell handmade jewelry, offer photography services for events, or resell thrifted items online for a profit. Apps like Poshmark, Depop, and eBay make it easy to list and sell items, turning your dorm into a mini business headquarters. The experience you gain from running a small venture will teach you about marketing, customer service, and time management. Consider leveraging the gig economy for quick cash. Platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart allow you to work as a delivery driver in your free time. If you have a car, these options can be highly lucrative, especially during peak hours. If driving isn't your thing, you could walk dogs or pet sit using apps like Rover or Wag. Animal lovers find these gigs not only profitable but also enjoyable. Participating in focus groups, surveys, or research studies is another way to earn money. Universities and private companies often look for participants to test new products, share opinions, or contribute to academic research. These opportunities typically offer good pay for a short-time commitment and can be found by checking campus bulletin boards or online platforms like Prolific. If you enjoy content creation, capitalize on the power of social media. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or blog about something you're passionate about, whether it's cooking in a dorm, college life hacks, or fitness routines. While this route requires patience and consistency, it has the potential to bring in income through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once you grow your audience. One overlooked opportunity is leveraging your coursework. If you're in a program that produces tangible projects like design portfolios, research papers, or creative writing, consider selling templates, notes, or other resources. Websites like StudySoup and Stuvia let you upload study guides, summaries, and lecture notes for students who may need extra help. Another great option is peer-to-peer services. If you're skilled at something like hairstyling, makeup, or tailoring, offer those services to fellow students at affordable rates. Word of mouth spreads quickly on college campuses, so your small hustle could turn into a steady source of income. Seasonal jobs can also be a smart way to earn without a year-round commitment. Retail stores, restaurants, and event venues often hire extra staff during busy seasons like holidays or summer breaks. These jobs are ideal if you need to focus on school during the semester but want to make money during your downtime. Scholarships and grants can be a hidden source of income too. Many students overlook smaller, less competitive scholarships that could significantly reduce their financial burden. Treat finding and applying for scholarships as a part-time job. The money you save on tuition or living expenses is money you don't have to earn elsewhere. For those passionate about food, consider meal prepping or baking. Students who don't have time to cook may pay you to prepare healthy meals for the week. Similarly, selling baked goods like cookies or cupcakes during finals week can be surprisingly lucrative. Sell your photos if you're into photography. Stock photography websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay contributors for high-quality images. You can also offer portrait photography for senior photos, LinkedIn headshots, or campus events. Participate in hackathons or pitch competitions. Many universities host events where you can pitch business ideas or tech solutions, often with cash prizes for winners. These events are great for networking, skill building, and potentially starting a side business. If you're in a health-related field, consider becoming a certified CPR or first aid instructor. Many organizations need certified individuals to teach these courses, and you can charge a fee for your services. Offer editing and proofreading services to fellow students or professors. Many students struggle with essays, resumes, or personal statements, and your help can make a significant difference while putting money in your pocket. House sitting and babysitting are also reliable gigs. Parents and professors often look for trustworthy sitters, and house sitting can be an easy way to earn money during breaks or weekends. Event planning is another opportunity. If you're organized and creative, help students plan parties, fundraisers, or campus events. Charge a fee for your coordination services and enjoy building connections while making money. Explore odd jobs. Platforms like TaskRabbit allow you to offer services like furniture assembly, moving help, or running errands for people in your local area. These jobs pay well and are often flexible. For science or tech-savvy students, offering coding or STEM tutoring can be incredibly lucrative. Parents are eager to pay for help in these competitive fields, and your expertise could be in high demand. If you're comfortable speaking, consider becoming an MC or host for campus events. Hosting events like talent shows, open mic nights, or cultural programs can earn you money and help you develop public speaking skills. Lastly, consider internships or co-ops that pay. While these may align more closely with your future career goals, many companies offer part-time positions to college students. These roles not only provide an income but also valuable work experience that can give you an edge in the job market after graduation. Balancing work and school is key to making this all work. Set clear priorities, stick to a schedule, and choose income streams that align with your strengths and interests. The goal is not just to make money now, but to build habits, skills, and a mindset that will set you up for financial success long after you leave college. So get creative, take action, and start building a brighter future today.